có nhiều một trái là mình còn check it.
It's at the Dole Plantation and North. Did you put as a plan? Để có một phút nữa là nó đến thế nhau.
Từng phải là hai chuyện là sao? Để đầu lớn luôn rồi.
Chạy cái con nó nữa.
Anh ôm một cái
For pay, I still have a crutch. Erica, why I didn't get you? You gotta give me one. Just give me one. Just give me one. Just give me one, Erica. Thấy con hả? Yeah. Hello. Oh, you still have to pay to get in the garden.
Huh?
You still have to pay to get in the garden.
Where?
Right there, train and garden ticket. We just go. I don't know what they sent. We'll just go to the garden.
Actually, or Muslim brought it in. Bonnie of Longo, new
Yeah, Lydia.
Too long,
Yeah, Lydia lives here. Or lived here.
Honolulu?
I don't know, but she's from Hawaii. But I'm sure it's from here. Everybody is always from here.
What did they do? Why did they move up there?
Just like everybody else. Go to the plantation garden.
Pineapple Express, né?
Maybe she check out Pineapple Express.
Oh, they got train up.
Yeah. Có thấy đây tại đâu chứ? I'm sure we're not there yet.
I don't think so. This is it. It's a hello tà đó, này, see?
Rồi ta lỡ mà phụ thi mò.
It's what it's more ha, tà ha.
Just go a circle here.
Yeah. This is shadow line in the city. Yeah. It's not even good.
Oh, these pineapple? What are those?
It's not pineapple in the front.
Let's go that side. You're gonna go to Google Bowl? Why? I don't know. Why? Do you know why?
Cô chỉ bao này rồi, cô thấy nó có điều chỉnh nó mua nhớ hổ là.
Oh, I don't know.
That's the one I'm. Here, see, this is pineapple.
Yep. The banana, you see the banana tree, the banana up there? I think the more they know, hell yo. Because it's all gone.
Oh, I should do some.
Some banana.
Có chỗ hứng chỉ có non.
I know. Mình chỗ
Banana. You do banana too, man.
banana?
You know how to do the wrap banana?
No.
Là tôi muốn banana khử đi. Món blow banana chứ.
Oh yeah, that's what I said. Cho món chỗ nữa hả?
Không luôn là nó.
Yep. I take video. Hold on. E-O-P. Okay.
No need, man.
I like the bananas leaves.
Just take it on me. I don't need to take picture of me. Hey, you kind of call us. Kind of put you out of
Okay, let's take it together here.
Kind of call.
Yep.
Say that. A lot of water. Got a little tiny pool.
Cái của luôn cho một cú nhía taเลยà. Koi nhá hả? Oh, what's all these little fish? Koi fish?
I don't know, but they got some in there. I don't know if that's koi or not.
Oh my god, I thought that one well there was.
Huge koi.
Look at all these babies.
Oh, this is a park tree, right?
Đây để thay đôi là nó hả? Thay là nó lần đó.
Yeah?
Yeah.
The Chimo camera.
So pretty. Có bụng cá lúc có thể tao có.
Của chính này là con gái mà.
Để cũng cá lúc camera nè.
Lúc một mình chơi đó là muốn chơi đó. Tea leaf garden.
Yep.
Tea? What kind of tea?
I don't know.
Say tea. Some tea. That's tea.
Đi in nhớ về North Shore và the Matsumoto shave ice. We are at Ko'olina. So beautiful. The ocean is over there. We're just past Laguna before. Nó vô weekdays chứ vô weekend trên Sydney nó không?
Yeah. Nè, có think about như khai như cho hai
Yeah.
con như không có nữa.
Look at all those bananas.
Thì mua cho là mua luôn.
This is giant. Wow. In your Chinatown, Honolulu. Complete, is it?
Cái gì sao? Cực kỳ thế à?
Yeah. As long as you got bao mù khó tư sao. What are they? Chẳng không một different vendor, I think. Oh, okay, let's go look. Stone shaky. Chúng mới chơi rượu rồi bây giờ rượu.
Which is the proud home of the USS Arizona Memorial, USS Oklahoma Memorial, and the USS Utah Memorial. Today, the U.S. Navy and the National Park Service will take you on a harbor tour of Pearl Harbor and bring you close to the USS Arizona Memorial, which is the proud home of the USS Arizona Memorial, USS Oklahoma Memorial, and and the USS Utah Memorial on Memorial Day that year. The designer and architect was Alfred Price, who created three main parts: the entry room, assembly room, and shrine room, half of all the lives lost during the attack. This includes every member of the heralded USS Arizona Band, 23 sets of brothers, and even a father and his son. November 7, 1941, the USS Arizona was moored here next to the USS Vestal, a smaller repair ship. At 7:55 a.m., the ship's air raid alarm went off, and the ship soon went to general quarters, the call for all hands to go to their battle stations immediately. For the next 10 minutes, the men of the Arizona endured strafing from incoming Japanese planes and bombs from Nakajima B-5N Kate torpedo bombers, which carried armor-piercing shells modified into 800-kilogram or 1,750-pound bombs. At 8:06 a.m., a fatal blow struck the Arizona. The Japanese bomb cut through the deck in the vicinity of gun turret number 2, which would have been about 200 feet to the left of the memorial. Seconds later, it detonated the ammunition magazines located in the forward section of the ship. The result was a massive explosion that tore the ship in half and set off a fire that burned for more than 2 days and consumed 1,177 members of Arizona's crew. The first wave of planes had left and valiantly headed towards the sea. At the same time, Japanese planes from the second wave were flying over Diamond Head on the southeast side of the island to continue the attack. USS Nevada's guns boomed once again as she provided fire support for Americans who stormed the beaches of Normandy, southern France, Iwo Jima, and Okinawa. Continuing on, the attack on Pearl Harbor began at 7:55 a.m., with torpedo planes coming in waves from both the north and south while flying at an altitude of only 30 feet. The first few torpedoes slammed into the hull of the USS Oklahoma, exactly in the spot where the battleship Missouri is today.